back at it, folks. Baler ain't wanting the light, so you gotta come out here and clean all this loose hay off. And start sneezing. Here's a bale, I think it's number 8. But it's thin junk. Well, not junk, it's good stuff. But it's getting a little aggravating and wanting to go in the baler. But we gonna get it and stuff. I'll try to do more video for y'all, so y'all stay tuned.
I'll follow you.
Well, there's rain threatening. Got some calls from another fella trying to bale some hay, and said it done rained over at his house. So, kind of to the point where, you know, let's get the good stuff up. I can tell by looking around, I can see rain back that way. Don't know which direction it's going. It's the only thing. Hey, this thin crap. Thin. Not picking up as good. Thicker stuff. It ain't gonna be a lot. I know that for sure. So far I got 16. I don't know how much the other fellas got. This is going to be like part 2. I tried to post this morning, and don't know if it's done yet or not. But by the end of this video, y'all will know if we finished or not. So we'll have to see. I'm getting a little nervous. I don't. Bad as we need the rain, you know, I want the rain, but I want to get this hay done. And, we still got 2 more patches after this to do. But it's not going to be much over a bale an acre out here. It'll be what it will be, so I know. Getting close, come on. pickup, I noticed, is starting the T4 getting wore and stuff. You know, that may be part of the problem. The pickup is as low down as it goes without the teeth getting in the ground. So just did a little small adjusting on it. Out now. It might actually be better if it stayed cloudy, it stayed a little cooler. It might not pop up as much rain. But quick recap, you know, the first video you'll watch, if I can get it out. We bailed Friday, we're gonna bail this Saturday, today's Monday. The video will probably be out Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. But it just wasn't quite sheared out enough Saturday. Probably still should have bailed it anyway. Because they weren't giving out no rain for today and tomorrow.
When you get around there, you do that on the outside.
And then you just pop-up showers.
Let Blaine finish that one and you pick up going over him to the 10-acre field.
We got some people fluffing it up again.
Do it and go back to that field north of the shop right there. Alright.
Trying to be sure it's dry enough. Dark clouds everywhere. We got armyworm problems. I probably said that already. Armyworms eat a third of this, I would say. Don't know how long this video is going to be. This may be the end. You know, it might be. But I will be sure to let y'all know. I'm not going to end it here. I'm going on nearly 9 minutes sitting here running my mouth. Where the armyworms got into it, they ain't hardly nothing. So I'll be sure to get back with you. Keep your fingers crossed. Rain one.